Hello everyone, back again to the channel about AI tutorial. And on this occasion we will discuss how to create funny meme images using AI. Okay, let's go straight to the tutorials.
First, open the Google Chrome application. Next, you type in the search Bing Image Creator. Open the Bing Image Creator page and enter the command like this. The Statue of Liberty slips on top an airplane cabin. White cloud background. Blue sky. Is set a high. Realistic photo high detail. Next, click create and wait until the loading process is complete. And here are the results. Next, click the three dots. Then click to save.
Okay, well, that was a tutorial on how to make funny meme images using AI. Thank you for watching and see you in another video about AI tutorial.